4 crackers. I want crackers. Crackers, 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 please. Crackers.
So, ano sagot?
Can I have some?
Yeah, sure.
I want the strawberry.
Time to see a rainbow this big.
Me too. There's a rainbow.
Wow.
It's so big.
I like it.
We're there. Buy a real rainbow.
Good morning. So, galing kami sa may Centennial Park sa Barrie para magkita-kita at kumain saglit. Ayun lang. So, ang nakita-kita doon, tayo, sila Kuya Cyrus, Ate Narlene, Ate Liz, at sila Kuya Omer. So, now we're heading to Parry Sound, dun sa may Lookout Tower. And I hope it's gonna be a good day kasi meron dito na nagtutuyo.
Yeah, kanina pa.
Nakakaasar, galing pa ng bahay.
Parang
ayaw, lahat nire-reklamo.
Kada ano na lang, no.
Kita mo yung erase paglaki mo. So,
Okay.
alright. We'll see you there.
Random question lang. Naboboard ba ang mga hayop? Kasi may nakita kong 2 kabayo. Tapos feeling ko ang boring ng buhay nila. Hindi pa sila napapagod, nakatayo lang.
Hindi mo nagchichismisan sila. Pero nagchichismisan na yung kabayo sa kabilang kabilang farm.
Tungkot ng buhay nila, no? Chismisan nila.
Minsan nagmumukbang sila.
Teka lang. Ito yung gusto natin video. Why? Pinapatulan pa kasi, Ebidensya din po na pinapatulan. Pinapakpak
machineries yan ng mga lalaki. Morning.
Hello.
Hello. Did you see Savi?
Yes.
Hello. Good morning, Lala.
I'm not ready yet.
Oh,
I know, it's so cold.
umayaw.
Oh, I don't talon pa doon.
Ay,
Say 1 hour when I called them.
boy.
Daming butete ngayon. Kaya pala may frog doon last.
Oh, here. That's a bad guy.
Uy.
Andiyan ka pala.
Diyan ka pala. So, right now it is 11:13 AM. At kaalis lang namin dito sa may Parry Sound Lookout Tower. Yeah. Tumambay kami doon saglit, inantay namin lahat dumating. So the gang is complete. Ngayon papunta naman tayo sa may Bell Park.
Tignan mo.
Nagsusway yung ano niya.
Ano ba to? Wow.
That's crazy.
It's so colorful.
How did they color it? Hello Kuya Sai. Kumakain kami. Alright, sige kami. Okay. So hindi namin natuloy sa may Bell Park. Excited na akong magtayo ng tent ni Kuya Jun. Shoutout kay Kuya Jun sa kanyang pinahiram na tent.
May free trial.
Free trial.
Balak namin bumili ng ganun. So,
Bibili natin kay Kuya Jun. Kuya Jun.
Kuya Jun.
$20 na lang.
Kapir. Barat na yan.
As may gas station.
Daddy, lagpas ka ng beam. Sige. Ayun po, lumagpas. Kakatingin sa mga tao sa paligid.
Nag-o-observe yan.
Ang galing ng asawa ko. What's with Ivana? Oh, you miss Ivana? You know they missed you too. Yeah, but we're gonna go.
With Emma while you set up the tent.
I know. Sa Pioneer, magpa-games tayo.
Sa race, oh my God.
Saan tayo na eh? Sa Chute. We're here at Chute.
Kanan drive. Kanan drive. Kaya masarap ang kain.
Go, go, go! Do it! I go, go, go. I got you. You want to? I thought that was you. Yeah. I thought that was. And then I got hit. I have to do this. No, wait. Lock in. Lock in, Mo. Oh, lock in. Let him cook. Let him cook.
Watch your corner, watch your corner, watch your corner. Oh, that's out, that's out. That's just out. That was on my side.
Wait, there's no rules.
No rules?
Yes.
Let's go. Why can't it ever be me?
Not too close, not okay. Take it out a little bit. Yeah.
What I do is feel the skin. No, we don't have to.
Will not burn. My love, here, you move over there because you're not gonna be able to.
Aries, what color do you like?
Yeah.
My love, do you want purple or crackers?
I want crackers. 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 Crackers, please. Crackers, please. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. There you go. Got the same.
You can cut.
You blow first. Blow.
Looks yummy.
You wanna go get closer a bit?
I want to feel like this.
Scented candles para sa mga lamok.
Good job, guys.
Don't hold that.
Get your blue. Ah!
Good job.
What? Where's your marshmallow? Because they're gonna take a picture.
Not too close, my
Don't let it touch the wood.
It's almost dark. That means we can have glow sticks.
I said you market. Some marketplace lahat ang mga.
Okay. Hey, what about me? What about me, Emma?
Oh, you want chocolate? Wait, wait.
Don't touch the wood.
Give Ate Cody a chocolate.
Narinig na eh.
Listen here. Ayan siya. Ayan. Oo, nung nag-work na yung tawag sa kanya ng...
Wow, Eris.
Yummy, chocolate.
Yeah.
Again.
Pass up here.
Can you wipe Emma, please?
Ah! That's it.
Sabi ko sa'yo, yung sa kanila, pagpasok sa tent, nakatayo kami, ginagagapang kami. Yeah, meron pa rin siyang epekto.
Up. Can I have one?
Circle. So all would see.
Do you feel it?
I feel it. Yeah.
Okay.
Everybody's here?
Yes. Right here. 3, 2, 1.
Wow! Did you see that?
Laki nga, parang ano.
Yeah. It's gonna fly, okay? I'm gonna let it fly. If it flies, it flies. Here.
Where is it?
I got a sparkly glow stick. It's gonna, and it can do shapes whatever I want. And its shape can be like this, or this, or this. I'm anglerfish. This is my tail. Look, I'm a firefly with a lighting bum bum. I have a firefly. Money.
Alright, welcome sa aming hotel room. Ang laki kasi, kaya parang hotel room, diba?
Sorry, Dad.
What did I tell you? So, kanina, pagkadating namin, nag-set up kami ng tent. Medyo matagal kasi bago nga sa amin tong tent ni Kuya Jun. So, ako sa tent, si Princess sa loob. Kaya natagalan kami, tapos naglagay pa ako ng trapal sa taas kasi there's a chance of rain sa mga susunod na araw. But anyways, it's all good. Maganda yung setup namin ngayon. And shout out kay Kuya Jun.
Thank you po sa free trial.
Na nagpapahiram ng kanyang tent. At sana, Kuya Jun, wala kang camping sa mga susunod na mga buwan. Kasi we'd like to borrow again. Naks. Hindi, i-rent ko. Rent ko. $5 per trip. Naks. Can you look at me and say good night?
Good night.
Look at the camera and
Good
say,
night.
good night, everybody.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Kuwawa naman yung anak natin, sa banig lang matutulog. Alright, tayo'y pumunta ng washroom. Anong oras na ba? Teka lang. 11:28. Punta tayo ng washroom. Grabe, dilim oh. Wala akong makita. Pag pinatay ko yung ilaw ko, ay tatakpan ko na lang. Boom! Mahina pa yung ilaw ko. Kasi, if you see something, comment nyo na lang. Because I cannot see anything. Medyo foggy rin eh, no? Or mausok. Pero yung bibig ko rin eh, oh. Hindi natin makita yung weather ngayon. Weather unavailable. Kanina, chinek ko dun sa parang room thermometer na dala ko. 16 degrees. Ito yung mga showers, oh. Napakainit ng tubig dyan. At tapos na tayo umihi. Yun na nga. Napakainit ng tubig dito. So, here is the bathroom. Medyo dirty siya. You're supposed to press a green light and it will turn on for maybe 10 minutes. At yung tubig niya mainit. Saan ba pupunta? Oh, there. Oh, hindi. There. So, yun na nga. Yung tubig niya. Para kang pwedeng magtsaa. Naliligo ka na, nagtsatsaa ka pa. Diba? Ito nga pa ng campsite natin ay pinamagatang Red Pine Road. One way yan. Hindi nyo kita. Hindi ko rin kita eh. Isipin nyo, no? Sa probinsya, ganito talaga, walang ilaw. Nasisipin mo nung nagmumotor ka, nagbabike, kakabike mo, meron kang nakita na kasalubong, lalakad. Pinara ka. Nako po. Wala akong maisip na punchline. Bukas na lang. Halata ba? Daldal ko lang kayo para makasurvive ako. So nasa 7 na tayo. Maganda dito sa may shoots kasi tahimik siya. Tapos malalawak yung mga campsites. Alright, that's our tent. And that's our sinampay. Oh, ang galing ng isang tali oh. Re-reflect pala sa ilaw yun. Anyway, tama na dada. Toothbrush na ba ako? Yes, I did.
Sa kunti ng tulog na kami.
Yeah. Well, it's time to sleep.